Great. So right now, these are the two diamonds. If I figured out this diamond before, then maybe I entered long. But we had this um, triangle, symmetrical pattern, symmetrical triangle, which already broken out, and then that's why you saw the big move. But I was sleeping that time. But now you see another diamond here. The diamond I referred in the group was looks like this. Uh, Diamond pattern. It looks like this. Oh, what is this? Okay. Look. So it looks like this. It looks like a diamond, and price hover between the range. Okay. Let's move this pick here, and it looks like this. See, looks like this. And now on current chart scenario is same. Price is hovering between the diamond, and it's breaking out right now. And the entry point is here at below 32 250, I think 300. But set your targets, set your entries on different prices. I'm not going to say any price. This is your entry and this is your exit. I'm going to say this is the support, and enter below the support with the low leverage. And whenever you are in profit like 5-6%, and then add more 2-3% more leverage, or add more money so you can earn more. And let's break down the pattern and the market where it is going right now. The first thing first is this is the 4 hour. Okay, this is the rising wedge on 4 hour. It will break down uh, on 32 300. It's already at the already about to hit the bottom here of the wedge, and it will, it could cross down and hit the double bottom of 30,500. But we will take profit whenever we are in 10, 12, 15% profit. We will exit our position 50%. So this is the long chart, long term 4 hour chart. Okay, 101. And this is the pattern that I explained right now. And this is head and shoulder. Okay, head and shoulder on 30 minutes. But right now, right shoulder is formed. Okay, right shoulder is formed, but don't worry, price won't spike so soon. We will have plenty of time to enter the trade for long if price moves to another blue line, which which is this. Okay, which is this. We have plenty of time to enter on long trade if price moves on other direction, because diamond pattern can break any direction. If it breaks upside, then move is upside. If it breaks downside, move is downside. So let's come down to indicators for now. Okay, um, so what is the topic right now? Topic is technical analysis of BTC and some other coins. So post in the comment right now, in the chat, in the Zoom chat, which coin you want to see next following the Bitcoin pattern. Send in the chart, in the chat, ETH, XRP, dot, ADA. So I will go with the majority. Okay. Okay. Keep typing. Just one time. Just one time. Type one time. You don't have to type multiple time. Okay. Great. So I think a majority are talking about the Ethereum, and on second number we have um, ADA, and on third one is DOT. Let's start with Ethereum. Wow, look at that. Look at this. Look at this 1 hour chart. I forgot to share this one. So this is rising wedge inside the falling wedge. So after that, I'm going to cover ETH. And here is the entry here. Whenever this rising wedge is broken, or this support is broken, we will enter a short. Okay, so here is the target here. If it broken, rising wedge is broken, enter short all the way down. And if you are in profit like 10, 20, 15%, exit, or exit partially 50%, 60, 70, 80. And let's come down to our third coin, which is Ethereum. Second coin. Okay, we have this Ethereum chart right now. We have a 15-minute red X. Let's check on 30 minutes. 30 minutes red X. 1 hour red X. Just now we have red X, but we have a divergence, but divergence is not confirmed until the candle is closed. Okay, so ribbon is fully red. Trend line here is red. Scalper is red, looking very bearish. VWAP is blue, and I'm just waiting for this support. So the support for Ethereum is at um, 1791, and if I want to enter the trade, I will enter at 1791, or whenever Bitcoin cross the rising wedge, this wedge, whenever Bitcoin cross, enter in the Ethereum trade. Okay, so my entry should be at 17 88 or 85, and then I can short all the way down to 1700 or 1718 or 20. Yes, so let's talk about dot now. So no, ADA. Yes, ADA. So Ethereum targets is around below 70 90, 1790, below, enter below that, and exit before 1720. Just hold on. Okay, so let's move to ADA chart, and I think it's not loading. um, let me load it once again. ADA. Okay, there you go. So let's switch to ADA USD. Coinbase. Okay, so entry on ADA, short entry is below 1240, 1.240. Enter below that and exit before 1 2 uh 1205. Yeah, so entry is here. Let me mark the price here. So here is the entry, and Wait, let me make the line thicker. Mm, here is the entry, and here is the exit. Here is the exit. So you got two prices here. Take a screenshot or click a picture in your phone for now. So here is the entry and here is the exit for short. Click picture for ADA USD. Let me cover our third coin, which is DOT. I will answer all of your questions in the end, okay? Not right now. Support and resistance lines are inbuilt in my indicators. They are really accurate. You will see really accurate supports, okay? So those people who are using my indicators already got these support lines. No need to go anywhere and find it. They are available here. So this is the short entry here, and if it crosses this line, this support, which is 1.19, let me draw another line here with a different color. So here is another second position for short with let's make it this green, okay? And here is the exit price before this. Here is the exit price for second entry, which is 1.35. Entry is below 1.189 and exit above 1.135. So these are the targets. Take the snapshot and continue. Let's continue. Um, Third one is dot. So dot entry is at here. Yes, I've got it. So here is the dot entry right below this support, which is 13.5, and exit. I am telling you the safe entry, safest entries you can find anywhere. You cannot find anywhere. See, uh, 3.5 and exit at 13. You know, above 13. And here is the first target of short. Right now, I don't recommend shorting because Bitcoin did not broke that blue line here. So this is the entry zone here. So let me zoom in for you so you guys can take screenshot. So 13.5, enter below 13.557, and then exit before $13 or whenever you are in profit. Okay, let's I think I covered my all the coins. Let's continue with ETH here, ETH and BTC. Okay, so in ETH we also have this bearish trend line, which means bears are in control for now, and this ribbon is still red, but ribbon did not flip until now. I'm waiting for ribbon to flip. Ribbon, its price is still in the consolidation zone right now in ETH, in Ethereum. So look at the ribbon. Let me zoom in a little bit. So look at the ribbon. It did not flip. Okay, it has to open. It has to cross below this zone at 1790. Okay, so similar to Bitcoin here. So ribbon here is here. and it has to cross first before we take another short entry. Look, ribbon is still green here, and I'm waiting it to flip like this so we can enter short. I'm sure it will flip whenever this blue line is crossed, and also put some long orders above 33,600. Long orders above 33,600, and which I think is not going to happen. But this is crypto market, so you don't know what next news is coming in Twitter. So news will become very viral, and you don't know that stupid maniac Elon Musk. Sometimes he is bullish and sometimes he is bearish. He will announce, or any news, he has like more than 6 million followers, so he can do anything with this market. So put long orders above this blue line 33,600, and then short orders below 32,300. Yeah, so I think I covered it. So let's check what scalper is saying right now. Okay, scalper is showing mixed signal. Why mixed? Why this trend line is not yet red? Because the ribbon is still green. Okay, price is hanging with at the last EMA of the ribbon. So price sometimes touched with the last EMA and then reverse. Look at this. Look at this. It touched here last EMA, and then we got a long risk high signal with the star, and then price reverse. So always be prepared for anything in this market. So start with low leverage trade, and then if you are in profit, add more, and also put stop loss. So okay, let's come to our third topic, which is breakdown of these indicators, but I think I should cover it later. First, we should talk about money management while we are in trade. Okay, let's talk about money management first. I will cover the indicators later. Okay, um, let me share my other screen. uh, Control new. Yes. uh, Let me share my notepad so I can cover the management of money whenever we are in trade. Share screen. Sublime. There we go. So guys, let's start. So guys, whenever you enter in a trade, start with low leverage. This is really important. Really important. Why? Because you might, stuck on fake out. Okay. So this is just a one of the reason, and second reason is you might your stop loss could get hit with that fake out or one um, opposite candle. Okay, so third reason is for using low leverage, your liquidation price is way more far, so you won't be liquidated. And fourth reason is you will survive in this greedy market for many months or years. Okay, so these are the few reasons to use low leverage. Okay, I will also cover how to use high leverage with these indicators, but for now, for beginners, I don't recommend trading with leverage. But if you want to trade with leverage, stick to 3 to 4x. Okay, so which leverage is important for beginners? So we have 10 minutes, and you have to rejoin the meeting after 10 minutes. So I'm going to cover it in 10 minutes because I'm using free Zoom session. So we have to rejoin the meeting from the group. So why which leverage is important for beginners? I suggest 3x to 5x for beginners. Okay, so let's name it as a 3x to 5x. And for advanced users, for advanced users, leverage should be 8x to 10x. Okay, so let's, guys, take screenshot of this, take screenshot of this page right here. Whatever I'm typing, note it down, take screenshot right now. I'm giving you 30 seconds. So these are the mistakes that I made many months ago, many years ago, that I still regret. I lost a lot of money, and I don't want new people to make the same mistake that I made with that leverage trading. Okay, I think I assume that you clicked the screenshot already, and if you did, then please post in the group. So this is called money management while you are in the trade. Okay, so in next Zoom session, I will also cover how to recover the money that you lost already in crypto. Example, you come with $10,000, okay, or with $1,000, and you thought that you could double or triple it with the, because this is a crypto, make you rich very fast. If and you lost 80% of your money, 50% of your money, and you have very little amount of money left, how to cover that money in crypto market? Okay, so right now, this is it. This is the money management for first chapter of money management. And then let's move on to our third topic, which is these indicators again. So let me switch screen, see what's going on. Still hanging there uh, in the edge of the EMA. So you guys, I assume that you have seen the video tutorial from my video, but if you have questions, then start asking questions one by one. So I'm going to unmute you. Anyone who wants to ask questions about the indicators and how to read time frames before you enter the signals, you can ask me any question you like. Okay, so unmute yourself and please go ahead and ask.
Okay, Griffith, if everybody don't mind, I'm gonna go ahead and start ahead. The green labels on top and beneath the ribbons that says the CMF and the CCI and those stuff. What does it mean? And there's an option in your indicator that is called pivot. What's the pivot mean, and what is it for?
Sure. So pivot means a price that is that shows higher high and lower lows. Okay, so that's called pivot. So if you let me enable the pivot. Wait, let's enable the pivot first. Let's drop it down and show pivots. Okay, so let's click OK. So pivots are on. It shows higher high and lower lows. Okay, so you might see the YouTubers talk in 1 day chart or in 4 hour chart. Oh my god, Bitcoin formed another lower low, another lower low. It's going down once again. So see, lower low, and another lower low. So which means trend is bearish and bears are still in control. Let me remove the drawings here for temporary. So pivots are for higher time frames. Okay, 4 hours, 1 day, 6 hour, 12 hours, or 3 days. Look, it is forming lower low, just one higher high here. So which gave a false hope to crypto users to given false hope to crypto users that market is going to reverse from here. But next day it started dropping and it formed another lower low here. And if just if you are a Bitcoin maximalist, or if you want it to pump always, don't you know you don't need lower low, you need higher high if you want market to pump. So that's how pivots works. See, it's saying pivot high, pivot high, pivot low, pivot low. PL means pivot low, PH means pivot high. I think I covered it. Let's let's go back to let's go back to the labels. Okay, why these labels are used for. And these labels are the indicators which are hidden in the code, in the script, in the indicators which you cannot see. But these indicators are present here. RSI is present, MACD and momentum. There are list of indicators that you cannot see, but still you can use them for divergences. This is the list. This is the list here. How many indicate? Maybe there are 10 indicators. Yeah, definitely 10. See, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11 indicators here. So whenever it forms a divergence, like on MACD, RSI, CCI, momentum, OBV, volume weighted MACD, Chinkin money flow, and money flow index, MFI. So whenever these money flow are present, they are giving us warning that this is a bearish divergence and this is a bullish divergence. And where is bearish divergence and bullish divergence, and where you can locate them? Okay, so if the label is above the candles, above the candles, which means it is a bearish divergence. If the label is below the candles, it means it's a bullish divergence. Look, let me show you here. Look, it's a bullish divergence because it's below the candle and price start pumping. We already had a new signal here, which is short risk high, which means shorting from this point, this price is very risky. Don't short. And we have another um, buy signal, which is this green triangle. Okay, so let's move on to let's move on to the yeah. Okay, so what is the next question?
Now, I'm just going to end my questions here by just telling you, I believe there's a lot of people seeing that indicator for the first time. So if you don't mind just, breaking it like all the way down from the beginning, like your YouTube tutorial.
Yeah, sure.
So,
But for that, you have to rejoin the meeting because I'm not. I used Zoom after so long time, and I'm not a premium user of Zoom. So please, I'm going to close the meeting for now. Rejoin it in 10 seconds, and I'm closing it. Okay. Mm, why I cannot close? one right now. Oh,
Awesome.
so I'm going to mute you all for now for 5 minutes, and I will end this. Yeah. So let's break it down. So for explaining this once again, I have to remove these drawings. So let's start with this. So whenever you see a red ribbon here, then what you need to do, ignore buy signals, ignore these triangles, okay? Ignore these triangles and only focus on sell signals, because ribbon is red. Focus on sell signals, and same rules apply with same rule apply with the VWAP. When VWAP is blue, ignore um, buy signals. Okay, so when right now ribbon is green, so we are ignoring this red X sell signal. We are ignoring this right now. We are not entering on any trade right now. So I'm waiting for ribbon to flip red again, so I can enter on this red X sell signal short. So I can enter here and take my profit here on 31,300. I will exit here. If it breaks, then 30,200 or 300, I will exit. Okay, it works like this. So I think I made my point clear with the ribbon. So look, just 10 seconds more. So look, ribbon is red from 40,000 level, and I always ignored short signal. You might heard me from the moon group. I was shorting back and forth, shorting and shorting continuously. I was not taking buy signal at all. I was only taking short signal, because why? Ribbon is red, and sell signals are more profitable when ribbon is red, and buy signals are more profitable when ribbon is green. So ignore sell signals, sorry, ignore buy signals when ribbon is green. Take more sell signals because ribbon is red. Okay, so look at this chart and figure out which signal is more profitable. Short signal. Okay, um, see, it's red X. This one is more profitable because ribbon is red. It gives you more profit, more long move. Not so profitable. This signal is not so profitable. This one is. Okay, long move profit, long move take profit, long move red X take profit, and long move red X take profit. You have to do it continuously. So trend is your friend until the end. So ribbon is red, trend is bearish. Keep taking those sell signals, and also beware of this divergence, and beware of this short risk high signal. It means short risk high means take profit and exit, because market could reverse or it could go sideways, look like this. And beware of divergences. I think I made my points clear here. And then let's continue with the VWAP, this thick white and blue line here. When line is blue, simply short. Okay, right now the line is blue here. Right now on the last candle, on the latest candle, line is blue here. Maybe you can see here. Look, line is blue, but ribbon is green. Right now is no entry zone, no entry rate right here. It's still bulls are still fighting. Okay, so that's why we are waiting to enter under the blue line that I sent in the pinned message. And then when line is blue, enter short. Line is white, enter long. And when line is white, make sure all of the EMAs in the ribbon is green, then you enter. When line is blue, make sure all of the EMAs in the ribbon is red when you enter the short. I think I made my point clear here. And the very last thing is the support and the resistance here. Support you will see in lime or green line here, under the candles, under the very bottoms and tops of the market. Sorry, under the all bottoms of the market, you will see support lines. Okay, whenever the support is broken, look, here is a support broken, price moves down. Okay, and when a resistance is broken, price move upside. Let me show you resistance here. There are many resistance here. Support also act as a resistance. Right now, for this candle here, this is the support. Okay, because price reverse from here. And now for this candle, this is a support, yes. And it moves up from the support, and now support is broken. But for this candle, from this candle, this is a resistance here. For this candle, this is same support now acting as a resistance. Price will struggle. Look, price struggle here and then drop back down now because this support is acting as a resistance. So note it down. Any historical support can act as a resistance when price goes upside from the bottom. Okay, and any resistance can act as a support. Any resistance can act as a support uh, when price moves downwards. Let me show you very good example of this. So this is a support. This is a support right now. Okay, and this is a resistance. Price breaks above the resistance. Okay, and here, look at here. So same resistance here is acting as a support here. Price is struggling to break this support, which was a resistance previously. In the past, it was a resistance, and right now it is a support. That's why price is struggling. And finally, a below candle closed below this support, and then price move downwards. I think I cleared the I think I covered this topic as well. So the lines you see here, like falling wedge and rising wedge line, this it's bound with those labels. Okay, so don't get confused with this. You see this line just because of these labels, because of this label. And I don't mean support and resistance, only these lines which are not straight. The straight lines are support and resistance. And now let's come down to these long risk high and short risk high signals. It will only appear when there is a support or resistance that very strong to break. You will only see these long risk high and short risk high signals. This support was struggling from so many days to break. Okay, from so many days, like from 5 June to 7 June. So that's why it showed long risk high, because if you long from here, your stop loss might get hit, or you could get liquidated. Look, long risk high, you did not exit your long, your stop loss hit, or you got liquidated. And short risk high, it means this support is very important. Take your profit here and exit. If you don't exit, then one more warning, the last one, take your profit and exit. Then after few more candles, look what happened to price. Market changes, market reverse. So let's move forward and cover the scalper. So it's 32,672 now, still good. Let's cover the scalper. Past support and resistance are still valid for rest of the life. Okay, whenever price touch on after like few years or few days back, whenever price come across the same price, same support and resistance will act. Let me show you classic example of this one. Let's go to 3 days chart. For 3 days chart, which is the most important support for 3 days chart? Support and resistance is the most important thing whenever you enter in a trade. So this is the 2017 high, which is 19,800 or $900. Not perfect 20,000, but on some exchanges it hit 20,000. And same support will be valid until now. Whenever price fell down, this is the same support of 2017. If you look at VPVR indicator on TradingView, which are only premium users can access, but you will see a big volume candles here, big volume candles, many thousands of the or millions of the orders, buy orders around this 20,000 levels. So whenever price touches here, um, the orders will get placed and price will pump 100%. I can give you in written, price will pump after Bitcoin hit 20k, because there are so many support levels. Let me share something more important. Look at this 20,000, same level in 3 days chart. Indicator printed long risk high exactly on 20,000 level. Why this long risk high and short risk high only prints when very strong resistance is there. So it finally broke and we are going to go all-time highs now. Okay, and then same it's printing its price is sitting at same level right now. It's still on consolidation phase because of this divergence, because of these indicators are pointing like divergences on 3 days, and it does not mean we cannot short. Look at 3 days chart. Since 3 days there is not much movement in the market. The price is moving in between 34,000 to 30,000, only 400 for only $4,000 move. If you compare this with this candle, so in this candle 3 days move was from 37,500 to 28,800, so which is $9,000 move. Right now market is, there is not much volume in the market because of this divergence, because its market is still on consolidation phase. That's why you don't see big move. That's why it's boring today. Right now it's boring. You cannot make more money with the boring market. So we need more volume, we need time. Okay, so that's why I did not enter in any trade today, because this is boring right now. Let's continue with the scalper. And this is scalper, and this is similar. This is more easy way to use to trade on 15 minute, 5 minute. On 5 minute too you can use this scalper, guys, but in 5 minute you have to use over 10x leverage to make some money, but I don't suggest you to do that, because if you are a beginner, stay away from 10x, 15x, 20x, or so on. Just stick to 3 to 5x. Okay, so this is a 5 minute chart and how you can use scalper to enter a trade in 5 minute chart. So let's break it down. Look, when this is called trend line, by the way. Trend line here, this is a trend line in scalper, and when trend line is red, it means price will move down. See, trend line is red and this wave is still red. Okay, you enter from this wave, okay, and then you short all the way. So how much price movement is here? From 33 100 to 32 450. Okay, so it's like $600 move. You can make money with it on 5 minutes. And here is green zone, and you can enter from the wave is still green. You can enter here and make some money, like $400-500 move, and you can make 5, 6, 7, 8, 10% profit depending on your leverage. But I don't recommend using 5 minute or 1 minute because that's very risky. So look at this 5 minute. Trend is green and wave is still green. Enter, wave changes color, exit, enter again, wave is green, take profit, exit, take profit, exit. And whenever it goes higher and higher and higher, moves become smaller and smaller. So in the end, when the, the bulls are lost, they are in low energy now. All energy is gone, all liquid, all the buyers are exhausted, and then look at this, just sideways movement. You cannot make much profit. So don't be greedy, stick to higher time frame. It will look more um, more profitable to you. Like 15 minute, I always recommend 15 minute or above. Why? Because you market is more clear here. So use scalper, and trend is still green, wave is still green. Enter, take profit, wave changes color, exit, exit. Right now, trend is bearish. Okay, still price is hanging there, but we are waiting for this support to break 32,300. Then I will exit. Then I will enter and make money, and step by step. Okay. So I am sure you guys have the profit, the money management screenshot that I told you to take. So look at this, very easy. I think I covered scalper, I don't need to cover it again. Let's move on to the final indicator, which is momentum indicator. Okay, so this is Griffith's momentum indicators, and this is my first indicator that I built in 2018. So it's 3 years old already. Many people compare it with market cipher, and the strategy looks same, but there are some changes here. Okay, my trend is different, my trend is different, money flow is different here, but only similarity you will see is this waves here. Okay, I don't use it much. I use scalper and ultra instinct more. I use this one and this one together because they give me more accurate results. So momentum give you accurate results, but you can say 7 or 8 out of 10. But if you want 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10 results, then go for scalper. Oh, this thing is old. Okay, it's my old script since 2018, but you can still utilize it. Let me show you how. So if you switch to high Kanashi candle, this indicator, momentum indicator, will perform better. Let me show you how. Uh, you see this thick area, it is called money flow. So money is leaving the market. Okay, price is coming down. You see the red ribbon because money is leaving the market. There are no buyers in the market. Sellers are in control. People are keep selling and converting their BTC to USD. They are keep selling because of some kind of bad news or something. And then money leaves the market. What you do? You take more and more sell signal and red dots. The red dot is present, short. This is called RSI. RSI is red, short. RSI is red, short. Red RSI, short, because money is leaving the market. Okay, see, RSI is red, short, and this RSI works just like your regular RSI. There is no difference. Maybe there is a minor difference, but you can still use it as a regular RSI. So right now RSI right now is at below 50. Okay, if it's below 50, it means it's bearish. If it's above 50, here, look, here is 50 level. Let me draw a line here, horizontal line, here, 50, uh, there, here. I draw a line here. Let me make it thicker so you can see. Yes. So whenever RSI is below 50, price comes down. Look, RSI is below 50, price come down. Right now it's still below 50, price is coming down. Here too, it's above 50 now, price is coming up. See, it works like a regular RSI, but you have colors now. When the color is red, short. When color is green, long. Okay. And there is one important thing here that I want to share is this star. You see this that star here? It means market is at close bottom. Market is about to bottom, and then whenever you see the green dot on the blue wave, exit. Exit the short or take profit or don't short anymore. Okay. See, um, rising star, early bottom warning, then exit with the blue with the green dot. Look here again. um, let's move to higher time frames because this star works even better on higher time frames. Look, we have a double star here. Double star, it means it's a bottom, not the bottom. This star means it's a bottom, not the bottom of the market. So star appear, just a little bit more, two or three more red candles, and star appears again. There is a green dot now I can see, and then boom, market reverse, and there is a short risk high signal as well because this 28 800 support was really important. That's why we exit there. um, I, I I entered a short signal from 29 800 when support was broken from 30,000. I exited at 28 800 exact, and then market reverse. So here is another star here, which is predicting the a bottom. Okay, price going sideways after the star, and then boom, crash again here. So it predicted a bottom here, green triangle, price go up. RSI is green, price go up. And I think the waves are clear because if you see red dot, it means it's bearish. Candles are bearish. If you see green dot here, it means price will go up. Red dot price means price will go down. Green dot price will go up. And there is a dotted line here, green dotted line here, and red dotted line here above and below the RSI. Here you can see it clear now. Red green dotted line and red, it means it's oversold or overbought zone. So when RSI is below red dotted line, it means it's oversold. Price will go up. Why? Look, it's oversold, price will go up, goes up, and RSI changes its color again, and red X show and then it it's it it is touching close to this dotted line. RSI changes color and boom, moves up. Okay, right now here, if you look at here, it's touching the oversold zone, and then price changes the color. RSI changes the color. You see the red dot. This is the top. You see the red flag. Divergence here. Exit. So many warnings. So many warnings. So um, so I think I cleared everything. So just this yellow area remains. This is called VWAP. There is a VWAP just like this one here, just like above one, but this VWAP is different. VWAP is below zero line. Here is a zero line. If it's below, price will go down, and as long as it remains low, price keep coming down. Whenever it's above the zero line here, price keep going up. When it's below again, price keep going down. But I don't use it anymore because I have a scalper now. It works better for me. Maybe this momentum indicator works better for you, but scalper works better for me. So I think I'm done with this small tutorial. So please ask me questions that you want.
Perfect, David.
Yeah.
What about other colors called like pink and blue and green in the momentum? Um,
Momentum.
on the wave. On the waves. On the waves, there is a blue color, green color, yellow.
You came just now. You came just now.
No. I've been listening all the time.
Okay. Okay. So you want me to repeat? Okay. So you are asking about this blue wave,
Yes, blue and green.
blue and green, red, and blue.
Yeah.
Okay. So green wave is the money incoming into the market, more buyers into the market. See, let me explain once again. Green wave, this green wave, and this trend line it's called money flow. Okay, that the this line you see in the scalper is different, and this line you see in the momentum is different. Okay, these line and money flow area down here are integrated. Okay, they are same, they are not changed. When this line is red, so you can see money is leaving the market, money is leaving the markets, more sellers are into the market now. That's why price is going down. And look at the latest update from the momentum indicator, red line, and money is leaving from the market. And that's why you see red X, and soon you will see price coming down. So line is green, sorry, line is red, and thick waves are thicker. When waves are more thicker, price goes down quickly. You will see long candles, and when the wave is not thicker, price won't go down very fast. It will slow down, moves still bearish, but small candles. When area is more thicker, just like this, candle size of the candle is more long. It means more money you can make from the short, because area here, the money flow area is more thicker. That's why I have both here. I have a straight line to show you that who is in control, and area to show you how much money is coming out of the market.
Yeah, I think I got my answer. Thanks.
Yes.
I will do the same.
And whenever this area is thicker, it means candles will be more long, more big, more huge candles. So next question, please, in 10 minutes, because Zoom is the timing is going to expire.
But can I ask something?
Yes.
Can you hear me? Okay. I just want to ask, is it working in parallel to price action? This is one question. Second question, because now we are looking at what happened before, okay?
Yeah.
Just can you tell me right now, for example, because we have the red cross and, you know, everything is red, why you didn't enter the market? I mean, why didn't you enter a short? This is my question.
Right now, I'm not entering a short because ribbon is still green. We have a red X. We have money.
Yeah, I want to know when you're gonna enter.
I will
This
enter.
is my question.
Yes, yes, I'm going to tell you that. So let me bring back those TA that I did earlier. So this is the TA I did earlier. So when I'm going to enter, whenever this blue line, which is a support, look at the indicator pointing.
No. Griffith, yes, I know that, because the time is short. I don't want to waste your time.
Yes.
I understand. I'm asking regarding the indicators. So using the indicators, we have always to take into consideration the resistance and supports also, and then enter a position.
Yes.
We shouldn't just look at the red cross and jump in. That's my question.
Yes, exactly. So you have to look at the support and the resistance as well. So before you enter the trade. So that's why we are not entering now, because this support is still strong. We want it to break before we enter, which is why everybody is waiting here, and orders are still there, but nobody is setting stop loss and nobody is setting take profit right for now.
And does this work for all coins? We can use it, for example, for everything. Okay.
Yes. Let me show you here something. So So this is the website,
Like
and
sushi,
what it
sushi
says.
maybe sushi is a good one if you can show.
Yes, yes. So I'm going to say right now. So it works with forex, stocks, crypto, and commodities, gold, silver, metals,
Okay,
oils,
all
everything.
right.
Okay.
Mhm.
So
Great. Okay.
yes. You
Thank
asked
you very
about
much.
sushi.
Thank you. No, no, yeah, I just asked because it has so much volatility. That's why I asked to see how it is on this indicators, how it looks like.
Yes. Okay, sure. Let's bring the sushi chart here.
I think it's even better than BTC because it goes up and down like a yo-yo.
Yeah,
It's
so
like
much.
a yo-yo.
Yep. So sushi is giving us a warning sign right now. Warning sign.
Mhm.
And where is the warning sign? Where you can find the breakout easily without any technical analysis. Without any technical analysis, how you can find the breakout? So look, the key is look at the ribbon. When the ribbon is more compressed, just like spring, the EMAs are really closed. Then only then you will find a big move. Right now, look at what's happening on sushi. Look at the EMAs of ribbon. It's really tight, really close, just like a spring, just like someone
Mhm.
is holding a spring. And what happens when someone will release the spring? It will break out,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So it's a key point here. Whenever it's a ribbon is tight, you will see big drop, a big pump, something like that. And
Mhm.
just look at the
Mhm.
trend, look at the color of the ribbon. If it's red, enter the trade. So sushi, the price for sushi is uh, right now. I'm waiting for Bitcoin breakout before I predict for sushi, but I
Mhm.
want to look at longer time frame first.
But according to your indicators, now we have the red cross and this line, I don't remember what you call the name, is blue, and this means
Yeah,
more
VWAP.
shorting possibly.
It's VWAP. Yes,
Bebop,
it's
yeah.
blue, but still, sushi sushi will follow Bitcoin for sure. Okay, but the
Yes,
problem is
definitely.
why we are not entering now. Ribbon did not flip. Okay, look at the ribbon. It's
Mhm.
still tight. Okay, we need few more candles to confirm the trend is bearish. The entry is confirmed. Profit is confirmed. So
Mhm.
the target for sushi should be at, let me go to higher time frame one more time. Sushi, so entry on sushi is at under $6. If you place your order under $6, let's say 5.8, just for an example, as an example, if you look at
Mhm.
4 hour chart, this wave on sushi is still red, sorry, still green. Okay, so which is
Mhm.
why it's just going sideways for now if you look at macro scale.
Yeah.
But on 1 hour
Mhm.
everything is red, but on 4 hours it's showing there isn't much sellers on the market, see.
Yeah. Mhm.
And which is why we are waiting for the support, which is $6 to break to enter sushi, or for Bitcoin to break. If Bitcoin break out right now, you can enter on sushi right now and trade and take profit on $6. Okay, and
Yeah. Yeah.
set another order at 5.8 or somewhere there
Mhm.
for another short, and then take profit at the next support, which is
Mhm.
uh, next support. Maybe I should see the historical chart.
So from what I get, the best strategy is to getting out at every support and resistance when we are shorting and longing. We shouldn't hold a
every
position.
every
Yeah.
every support is not important. Every support, some supports are important and some are not. So whenever
Mhm.
you see candles struggling like multiple
Yeah.
days for on support, then it becomes important support. But
Yeah.
you can use that strategy too, but I like to confirm it with my indicators that who is in control right now. Support is broken, I understand, but that must be a fake out. Okay, it touched the
Yeah.
support here and it bounced. Why? Because there wasn't much buyers. So
Mm-hmm.
we need these everything. It's a package, okay? So why I
Yeah,
added all the package, like there are maybe 25, 30 indicators combo. And why I
Mm-hmm.
added it into three, the pack of three here, because everyone can use it in their free account. They don't need to pay to TradingView to use this the package of indicators. So if you are using free account, you don't need to pay to TradingView. You just no need to search multiple indicators here and then again and again. What MFI is saying, what RSI is saying, what MACD is saying, um, where is the support and resistance. Don't search multiple
Yeah,
indicators because we
it is
have a
very
package.
helpful. Yeah.
Yes, utilize the package. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
I think I covered. So few more questions before we have a last 1 minute. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this one soon. Please ask.
Hey, Griffith.
Yes.
Griffith, can you hear me? Okay,
Yes.
can you go over some questions we have for you on the chat? We
Sure.
already like typed out all of our questions. Yes, please.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so it's about to close, but we will continue on Telegram
On the
group.
voice chat. Yeah.
Oh yeah, on Telegram group.
Okay.
Yeah, that would be
Thank you.
great. That would be
See you
great.
there.
Thank you.
Identify divergence when